MileIQ review the best automatic mileage tracker for taxes and reimbursements. MileIQ is an automatic mileage tracking application designed to help individuals and businesses accurately log their drives for tax deductions and reimbursements. The app operates in the background on your smartphone, automatically detecting and recording your trips without manual input. Users can classify their drives as business or personal with a simple swipe, right for business and left for personal. This streamlined process ensures that every mile is accounted for, potentially saving users a significant amount on their tax and reimbursements. Now, let's go ahead and talk of the key features of MileIQ. It's got automatic drive detection, so the app uses smart GPS technology to automatically detect and log your drives, eliminating the need for manual tracking. Easy classification, classify your drives by swiping right for business trips and left for personal ones. You can also add notes and create custom labels for better organization inside the app. You can also set customizable work hours, so you can set your work hours within the app, and MileIQ will automatically classify drives during those times as business related, reducing the need for manual adjustments. It's also got multiple vehicle tracking, so if you use more than one vehicle, MileIQ allows you to track mileage for each separately, ensuring accurate reporting. Named location, so you can assign names to frequently visit places, making your reports more intuitive and easier to review. Also, they've got a really good comprehensive reporting system. So here's an example of a report. So you can generate IRS compliant mileage reports with ease, facilitating hassle-free tax deductions or reimbursements. Now, a review wouldn't be complete if we didn't look at their pricing. So for individuals, MileIQ offers a free version that includes 40 free drives every month. It's also got automatic mileage tracking and auto-generated reports. Or you can go for the unlimited, so your best option for reimbursements and tax compliant reporting. So depending what location you're from, it starts at $7.50 per month, billed annually. This might change in the future depending when you're watching this. And this also has automatic mileage tracking, auto-generated reports, but the main feature, you got unlimited drives with this. So overall, MileIQ simplifies mileage tracking with its automatic detection and user-friendly classification system. It features cater for both individual users and businesses, aiming to save time and maximize potential tax deductions or reimbursements.